The following is a test of the emergency alert system.
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for Pierce WA, King WA, Snohomish WA, Island WA, Jefferson WA, and Kitsap WA, beginning at 10 a.m. and ending at 1 p.m. This is Pierce County Emergency Management conducting a test of the emergency alert system. In the event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. The following tones will conclude this test.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. For more information, contact this station or your local emergency services organization.
As an employer, you already know how